unicorns, welcome back to my channel Tales of Unicorns. So to all the new people there, hi, I'm Harita. I'm basically a travel content creator and currently you're watching my Singapore travel series. So in the first vlog, I would have shown my journey from Chennai to Singapore and the flight tour of Singapore Airlines. So to check that video, please check the link given in the icon above, or you can even check the description. So it's my day one here and I have started to explore from Sentosa. This time I'm not visiting Universal Studios Singapore. So but apart from that, in Sentosa we have this cable car ride as well as Madamme Tussads Wax Museum. So let's go and explore. But before that, we'll have to have breakfast. So yeah, let's start our day. After having a good South Indian breakfast, I started for Madamme Tussads. From any MRT, you have to reach Harbourfront MRT station. To reach Madamme Tussads, you need to go by monorail. For that, you should go to VivoCity to board the Sentosa Express. VivoCity is the largest shopping mall in Singapore. This is the Sentosa Express monorail. From the station, you have to walk for 3 to 5 minutes to reach the museum. The whole area is set up in a cinematic experience. On the entrance itself, they have a major Bollywood setup, and of course, you would be allowed to go and click pictures, videos with all the statues. Apart from that, they even had a Singapore history and culture display setup where they depicted the historical scenes of Singapore, and when you go near a scene, an audio plays automatically as if the scene is taking place right now.
Come na, wa boleh advise you where the best place to makan around here. I know best.
Ayo, mana? Look, put it over there. I'm a Raju back there.
எடுக்கலாமா?
This is Young Picnic of the Swiss Army volunteers. The Japanese are attacking. Bombs are being dropped on the airfield. You must evacuate immediately.
தெரியாம அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணிட்டேனே. Madame Tussads tickets can be booked through apps like Headout, Get Your Guide, but I got it from KLOOK app where I found it to be cheaper. It's better to get it online as offline prices are higher. They have a Spirit of Singapore boat ride where they take you on a boat to watch miniature creations of Singapore's iconic spots. Final section was a 4D Marvel experience. If you are a fan of Marvel characters, do not miss this experience. I enjoyed the show completely. Also, make sure to return your glasses safely. Then we started from Madamme Tussads to Imbaya Lookout Station to go on a cable car ride. When you come to Sentosa, cable car ride is a must visit. It gives such an amazing view of Singapore, and the ride in itself is an experience to be done. I got round trip tickets so I can go to and from any station on both the lines as mentioned in the picture. and that was again from the KLOOK app. The link is given in the description. Click it to know more details. After this cable car ride, I am visiting the Siloso beach, and if you didn't know, I planned this entire itinerary myself and booked it on my own without any agency, and during this process, I made a happy mistake. So the mistake is I planned to visit Sea Aquarium on Sentosa Island on the day one of my trip, but unfortunately I forgot about it. But the reason I'm calling it as happy is because I've got an added reason to visit Singapore again. They have various adventure activities like bungee jumping, zip lining, giant swing, etc. Check for them in the KLOOK app. So we have reached the end of this video, and if you feel I have given you some valuable information, then please do consider subscribing my channel. And if you have any doubts, ping me on my Instagram account, which is also Tales of Unicorn. I'll see you soon in my next Singapore video. Until then, unleash the unicorn in you.